The Alexander Thamm GmbH is a data science service company, meaning that we provide all kinds of services that have to do with data. We came up with a device that connects the Thermomix and makes it connected and also smart. So what happens is that it sends data on your usage, so what recipe you cook, how you cook it, when you cook it, where you cook it. This data is sent to a cluster where an algorithm of us is analyzing it to come up with recommendations on recipes you might be interested in that you can access through the app.
Exit VR is offering a life escape game in virtual reality, which means that we took all the best features from classical life escape games and put it into virtual reality experience. The game itself is actually a multiplayer game. You can play up to 3 people during the same game at the same time. You can all be in your own physical space, but you will all be in the same virtual space at the same time. The whole game takes 44 minutes, so it's a whole immersive experience, which means you're not only solving a short puzzle, but you actually have a whole longer time. So we're going to have even more people joining a group because we really notice this is the fun. People don't want to play just by themselves. They want to play in a group. They want to talk together, solve riddles together, and this is the actual fun about the game.
We are Wandelbots, and we enable basically manufacturers to program robots without coding. We actually want to enable very many more markets or customers which within different areas of the industry. For instance, we also want to enable SMEs for buying robots and to program them, which are currently lacking of the investment capability to have a robot and then buy external service for that.
A Jarrow is carrying 500 grams up to 2 hours. It will provide you a hotspot on indoor events. It will make photos and videos for your customers. Will collect and count them. So you can also fly with artificial intelligence in indoor rooms and mainly without any noise. And this is the only carrier which is allowed to do that up to date.